In front of me is ASUS Zenfone Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Firstly, just open Tab menu and look for one-handed mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to switch placement of your screen, you need to hold it and drag it. If you want to resize it, hold one of its top corners, scale it, and when you find the perfect size, let go. In order to go back to standard screen, click on this little icon at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!